Hello, welcome to section 3. Section 3 is going to cover fitting the coupling collars and its initial tightening up. A coupling collar or clamp comes in two sections. You'll see, I'll just put that one down for a second, that it's tapered, as is the body, and that there are teeth cut into half of the width of the clamp. So when you're putting these clamps on, you need to ensure that the teeth side go next to the collar. Okay? Secondly, you want to try, if you can, not to have the join of the clamps on the place where you've just done and taken the strap off. So what we're going to do is just move it round a bit to that position. Now the next question you might ask is, how do I know where to put the collar relative to the body? Because the collar is tapered and the body is tapered, obviously where you position these laterally will have an effect on the gap that you left at the end and the torque you need to achieve that gap, which is very important. So, and obviously it's influenced by the lining thickness and the cover thickness and any variation that there may be in the Wellmaster product. So what we normally do is to start somewhere between 12 and 15 millimeters away from the collar. Now it depends on the size of your fingers, but for me it's about a finger width. So it's going to be somewhere there. So we'll push the top one on and push the bottom one on, and then we have 4 cap head screws of the right size. You'll notice that they are coated at the bottom with a dry seal lubricant, and the reason for that is A, it helps with the tightening, but also it ensures that you don't get too much binding if you ever need to take them off. So you do a quick lining up to get them in the right place, and then just start them off. And the idea is to get all 4 of them in. So there's two on this side. Just get them started. Obviously you don't want to close that up too much because you're going to have the opposite effect and the opening up the other side. And then these two, which you can't see, so I'm just going to get in the way a moment. Slide one into there. So that's got that one started, and then the last one is partly going in. Okay, so now we've got it, and we can check the position that it's basically square, and we've got all 4 started. So what we're going to do is just tighten these up a little more. Okay, try and keep the gap central, and then as you tighten further down, try and do it like you would if you're fitting like a car wheel. So you would do maybe a bit on this one, and then do the same on the opposite side underneath, and then come back to this one and go back to that one, so that you're pulling them all in, both sides, and the twisting equally, and that gives you the best fit. Okay, and that is the end of section 3.